Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Upgraded Than Yesterday. Today we are going to learn about the lifecycle of a thread in Java. Here we are going to discuss each and every transition states with Java code examples. Suppose in an interview you are asked to explain the lifecycle of a thread in Java. The answer should be a thread in Java moves through 5 different states as defined in the thread.state enum. Look at the thread class. It has enum called state. There the defined states are new state, runnable state, running state, waiting or block state, and terminated state. The waiting or block state has 3 subcategories. Those are block state, waiting state, and timed waiting state. Let's learn about each of these states one by one. When a thread object is created using the new keyword, then it goes to new state. Here the thread object is just born and it is not started yet. When the start method is called on the thread object, then it goes to runnable state. The runnable state is also known as ready state. Here the thread is ready to run but waiting for the thread scheduler to pick and run it. When the thread scheduler picks the thread and start executing on CPU core, then it goes to running state. Internally, the task, that is the run method, will be executing here. When the execution of run method completes, then the thread goes to the terminated state. A thread cannot be restarted once it reaches terminated state because a thread dies when it reaches terminated state. If we want to give a hint to the thread scheduler that the execution of the current thread can be paused and other threads with higher priority can be run, then we can call yield method. In this case, a running thread will be going back to the runnable state. If the execution of a thread is paused and not consuming any CPU, then this state is called waiting or block state. In this state, a thread becomes inactive. The waiting or block state has 3 different subcategories. Block state. A thread execution gets blocked if the thread is waiting for the synchronized lock that is acquired by another thread. Waiting state. A thread goes to the waiting state if the sleep method, wait method, or join method is called on the thread. Timed waiting state. If the sleep, wait, or join method is called by passing wait time, then it goes to timed waiting state. From the waiting or block state, a thread can go back to the runnable state if the sleep time or the wait time is over, or if the notify or notify all method is called. A waiting or blocked thread can get terminated if the stop method is called on a thread. The stop method is deprecated, so we can use interrupt method to request the thread scheduler to terminate a waiting or blocked thread. That's all for this video. I hope you liked this video and were able to learn something new. Until the next video, take care, bye bye, and thank you for staying with me.